I gave 5 AI tools the exact same prompt. Only one actually fooled me. Can you guess which? Here's what I did. I took one single prompt. A man walking through a rainy street at night, slow motion, cinematic, and ran it through 5 different AI models, all inside Runway. Seedance 2.0, VO3, Kling 3.0 Pro, WAN 2.6, and Happy Horse 1.0. Same words, same settings, no tricks. Then I ranked them worst to best, on one thing only, how real they actually look. Starting at number 5, Happy Horse 1.0. And straight away, the issues are obvious. The motion is stiff, the walk cycle doesn't feel natural at all. The rain is there, but it looks more like a filter than actual weather. And the lighting on the figure is inconsistent. It shifts in a way that no real camera would capture. Number 4, WAN 2.6. This is a step up. The atmosphere is better, you can feel the mood of the scene. But watch the figure closely. The movement stutters slightly, almost like a subtle frame drop. And the rain interaction with the ground, it's missing. Real rain splashes. This doesn't. Still, noticeably better. Top 3 is where it gets genuinely hard to call. Stay with me. Number 3, Kling 3.0 Pro. Now this is impressive. The wet pavement of reflections are there, the mood is cinematic. The only giveaway? Look at the edges of the figure. Slight flickering when the light hits. It's subtle, but once you see it, you can't unsee it. Number 2, Seedance 2.0. This is the one I kept going back to. The walk cycle is natural, the rain depth is excellent, and the overall lighting feels like a real film. The reason it's not number 1, there's a very slight texture inconsistency on the jacket at the midpoint. Blink and you'll miss it, but I didn't miss it. So close. Number 1, VO3, Google's model. And look, I'm not surprised, but I am impressed. The motion is completely fluid. The rain interacts with the ground, with the jacket, with the light. The depth of field shifts naturally as he walks. I showed this clip to someone without telling them it was AI. They thought it was a movie trailer. VO3 takes the top spot. Which one fooled you? Drop your guess below. I'll reply to every answer. And next week, I'm running these same 5 tools on a completely different category. Subscribe so you don't miss it.